2010 Freightliner Business Class M2 with a Mercedes engine. 230,000 miles on it. Brand new Hiva 62-inch hook, 50,000 pound system. You got our Waste Warrior US tarp system. Double gantry. Goes all the way out. New batteries. Custom steel fenders. We got good aluminum tires on there. Air suspension in the rear. Good tires all around. Frame is all good. We've got new PTO, new pump. Mercedes engine's been all gone through. So everything's been changed. Fuel filters, air filters, cabin filters, oil filters. No def. This is pre-def, so you don't got to worry about that. Interior, very clean. Seats, headliner, easy controls, up, down, in and out. PTO switch on, off. AC's blowing really cold. You got your engine brake, you got your rear locker, Allison automatic, 238,000 miles on it. She's ready to go.